Are you ready to turn your opinions into real cash without spending a dime? Discover a free paid survey site for earning money online simply by sharing your thoughts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn extra income online with zero risk. Watch now and take the first step towards financial freedom. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Get rewarded for sharing your opinion, no matter where you are in the world. OpiDay is a trusted survey site that turns your thoughts into real rewards. Simply answer surveys on topics that interest you and watch your earnings grow. With OpiDay, you can participate from anywhere across the globe and start earning in just a few easy steps. Getting started on your journey to earn money has never been easier. Seriously, it takes less than a minute. All you have to do is hit the Get Started button, pop in your email address, and create a password, and you're already halfway there. Once you're registered, which takes just about 30 seconds, you can dive into a bunch of interesting surveys covering all sorts of topics. Just answer them honestly and share your opinions. Every survey you finish brings you closer to awesome rewards. The best part? The more surveys you complete, the more points and chances to win you rack up. You can then redeem those points for PayPal cash or cool gift cards, making it a simple and fun way to turn your free time into real rewards. Imagine spending just a few minutes a day giving feedback and seeing your rewards add up quickly. OpiDay is already helping thousands of satisfied users earn gift cards and cash for their opinions. Why let your valuable insights go unrewarded? Join OpiDay for free today and start earning rewards for every survey you complete. Don't miss out. Your next reward is just one opinion away. In the end, thank you for watching the video. If you found it valuable, please show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.